removed the ram, the eye out of the ram. I pulled it off. Forgot to film it, I'm afraid. That's Michael from O'Donnell's Aussie Homestead for you. And got the eye put back on, but a bigger eye this time. And gonna bring the forklift over if I can stand on it. If I can work on it, I'm going to bring the fork and pot back and load it on. Large block, better.
A wide one?
Wide enough to go about 8 inches.
Like this one?
Right, next one.
More?
Yeah, Alright.
I'm gonna lower you down.
You want to take that diesel away?
What is this thing for now?
What?
Thing is-
Oh, yeah. Alright. Need that done. I put the shifter there. Hang on. Looks like this. Put this place back. doing up this nut on the second hydraulic line. There's a line in, there's a line out.
You want to order that?
Okay, now you want to push that ram out?
What is it? Let's roll it. You're in.
Push it out.
Yeah, is that forward?
One more. 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 Nut. More. Keep going. Keep going. A bit more. Stop. A little bit more. Stop. Where's my key?
Right there under the bucket. Under the bucket. Can you turn it off?
No.
What?
Go too fast, it's extending out, you got to pull back.
Right, so push forward.
I don't know which way. No, that way. Oh, stop. Problem is, I'm not far enough that way. I can lean over.
So you're going to move.
Your eye open, but it's stretched. Oh, no. Drop down into that way, please. Take you for a little walk, show you something. Took a little while. Son doesn't know how to find spanners. He has no idea about what size spanners for what. But see how that's a nice shiny looking bit of steel? That's nice and shiny on the end. That eye was torn out. It cracked. Oh, I'll get aside. It's been re-welded up in there. It cracked off that. It just sheared straight off. Just peeled open like it was a ring, and it went break, stretched out. So I had to get another eye put on, and they put it on twice as thick a material. It's something like, I think it's about 13 mil thick. Never going to tear that out, put it that way. So it's all good to go. All ready to do some moving. Look, taking it off was exactly the same way as I did there, the opposite way around. So I actually forgot. All about it. But anyway, it's all good to go now. If you like what you're seeing, give it a big thumbs up. Please subscribe if you haven't before. And I ring the notification bell, it'll put you in a position that you get to see more weird things happening on the O'Donnell's Aussie farm. See ya.